The 2004 Saab 9-3. The Saab 9-3 has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that is powerful and smooth. Expect 23 miles per gallon overall on the sedan using regular fuel and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, anti-theft security system, side airbag, power brakes, clock. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.